Welcome back to another video, everybody. My name is Chris. This is Buildin BMWs, and your boy has got a new toy right there. So I'm about to just show you guys how it looks. And as you can tell, your boy has a new toy right here. And let me tell you guys how it would happen. If you don't follow me on like Facebook or Instagram or something, then you wouldn't know, but I'm gonna put some pictures up right here of my E34. But you notice something's a little off, and yeah, it destroyed my new wheel. Shaking my head. Someone rear-ended my car while it was sitting still. It was parked out front of my house. Someone rear-ended, totaled it. So totaled it. Insurance cut me a check. So now we're here with an E46. Yeah, I know it sucks. I love the E34. It was such a good car. If you guys can see me. Yeah, it was such a good car. It's like it sucks. It really sucks. As you guys see from the pictures, like, car was basically done. They asked me if I wanted to keep the car, and I said yes, but then I ended up selling it for like $500 bucks to, you know, a pick and pull, Crazy Rays, LKQ. I did that. So now we're just sitting here with a nice E46. Let me show you guys. So nothing special. It's crazy dirty right now. Just because any car that sits out front of my house, it's dirty within a day. Like, I'm guessing this is pollen, but that doesn't make any sense. If that would be all pollen, it's not springtime. But yeah, here we go. It's a facelift E46. Actually, hold up. Yep. Got a little cool stockies on there. With my other style 68. Ooh, sorry, the camera's hella shaky, but yeah, this guy, he like blacked out the badges and the tail lights. Not my style, but it's okay for now. We're gonna change that out. Probably gonna get a new badge right there. I think this is kind of cool. I've never seen anyone do this where it's this 325i, but then they got like a red and blue eye, you know, the M colors. I think that's pretty cool. I'll fuck with that. Moving on this side, nothing really special. The inside's really where it's at. Oh yeah, the car came stock. I already put the coilovers that's on my other E46 that's in the backyard. I put those coilovers on. They're Megan Racing Euro 1s, so they're kind of soft. Like I said, I have these wheels on right now and my fitment's like terrible. But once I get the wheels that I'm trading for, I got some spacers and you know, a wider wheel to give it a better stance or whatever. Okay, now I'm popping the hood. Nothing special. Just a M54 B25. Like I said, I swapped the coilovers over. See that? Yeah, full stiff. But yeah. Moving on into the car though, this is my favorite part. Well, gray interior, kind of dirty, you know, regular E46 things. It actually has a nice seat right here, which isn't destroyed, but you know, like I said, one of my favorite things, it's got the 5-speed. My first working manual car my whole life. I have a manual car in my backyard. Never drove it. It doesn't run, so as you can see, Okay, so I put this screen in here. I'll show you a picture of how the car looked before I put the screen in, but I put the screen in. I put this like little shift knob I found from E36. I put that in there, and that's about it. Everything else is just stock. About right there, yeah. So, yeah, the car is pretty stock. Dude had like some sound modifications, like he had a subwoofer and upgraded speakers and a little head unit and all that good stuff. But I took the head unit out, put this little screen in there. It's a cool little Android Auto Apple Play screen, and it got navigation, all that good stuff. Actually, I have a video installing this screen on my channel. Go look it up. It's how to get Apple CarPlay in your E46. It's actually one of my like most popular videos, so I guess check it out. It's popular for a reason. But yeah, when I bought the car, I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't know how to drive manual, but I bought it, drove it home. I've been driving it every day. Not every day. I've been driving it. Yeah, I'm driving it like once a day. You know, maybe around the block or something, just to kind of get the feel for the clutch and all that. And yeah, I'm driving it. It's new, and E40s. These cars with manual transmissions are so different. Like, I can't even explain it. It's like such a different vehicle. Like the automatic just makes the car feel slow and like sluggish. Yeah, it just makes it feel so sluggish. Like there's no I'm having a good time or anything. You know what I mean? Like I mean, you can have a good time. They're pretty quick cars, but like I said, this is just a 325. My last running E46 I had was a 330, and that thing I feel was just as quick as this, but just because I don't know, just because of the gearing, I think. Like they're probably the 330, of course, is quicker, like on the top end. But I'm saying like when it comes to peppiness, my 330 was very sluggish, and you know when you got the auto box, you got the little step down. Like if you stomp the pedal, it's a little button on there to stomp down on it, and that would always like kind of shift in the wrong spot. Like it always put me in the wrong RPM range, which made it weird. I mean, I'm still learning a little bit more about the about the manual, so I can't really say that I'm a master, because I'm not. I don't downshift. I do downshift, but I don't rev match really. I try to rev match a little bit, but there's no heel toe and there's no crazy things going on. I'm just driving it and getting home type shit. So I guess I'll have to drive myself home, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, that's really all I gotta say. Yeah, it sucks about E34, but I look at this as I can use this car for a lot more than I used the E34 for. I mean, E34 was an excellent freaking daily driver, comfortable, luxurious. It was okay on gas. I mean, it for real, it actually sucked on gas, but it was luxurious, comfortable, and it just gave you, you know, the best bang for. It was best bang for buck I've never paid. I think I paid $1,000 for that car, and only thing I did was like small maintenance, like oil change and gas, and I actually bought a whole bunch of parts for the car. Oh, stalled out. Yeah, so I actually bought a bunch of parts for the car, so like that I could start not upgrading the suspension, but refreshing the suspension and all that. And car got totaled, so I was, you know, collecting some parts for it and just seeing how everything was. But as you see, car's gone. I really don't know how to drive drive manual, but you know, I played a lot of Forza and Assetto Corsa. I played enough to where this isn't that hard. Woo! Coilovers kind of make this thing a little bouncy, but in a good way, if you know what I mean. Like in a race car-y type of, it feels like a race car. And this is the part where I stole a stop sign. Maybe I should get a mount to put you guys a little further away so you can kind of see what's going on. A lot of fucking bumps where I live at. Freaking bumps. I'm right in a downtown area. Woo! I won't tell you which part of it. I don't want to tell you which town and whatever, blah blah blah. I'll let you figure that one out yourself. Woo! And I have slides on right now, which is probably the worst thing to be wearing while driving stick. Ooh, yeah, see, I don't know how to downshift, but I mean, I don't know how to heel toe. I don't know how to shift while trying to slow down. There we go. Damn it. Yeah, so I have a couple, I don't think they're gonna be in this video, but I had a couple mods I want to put on the car. They should be cool, you know what I mean, nothing crazy, but I'm about to show you what they are. That's it. I'm starting with the first box. Yep, just some clear turn signals, nothing crazy. If you know me, then you know I do clear turn signals for every car that I get. Got a little bit of LED lights here from my old car. These are clear reverse lights. I don't like the amber, and I'm very pissed that he blacked them out, actually. Because to get them back to regular, I'd have to peel off all the tint that he put on there. And then the jacket. I'm probably going to do these headers. But I don't feel like the pain of putting headers on, you know what I mean? If I can go underneath the if I can get underneath the car and loosen these bolts right here and it's no problem, I'll put them on. But if I go underneath of there and it's a pain in the ass, then I'm good. Here, these are the wheels for trade. Probably gonna say I'm stupid for trading them, but here we go, some Motive luxury wheels, quote unquote luxury Motive, or Motive luxury. Yeah, they're not in the best shape or condition, but the dude, he wants to trade me for some Style 68s, and I'm not going to tell him no, because I actually hit him up and tried to trade him for the, I hit him up. I inquired to him. He wasn't selling his wheels. He was selling his wheels. He wasn't trying to trade them. I came in and was like, dude, you should trade me, and he said yes. Okay, and I'm gonna end the video. Here, right next to the old E46. She's still in the same state she was when I left her, when you guys seen her last. Yeah, I guess if you made it this far, leave a like, leave a comment, tell me how you feel about the new car. If you hate that I got another E46, tell me in the comments. If you are sad about the E34, tell me in the comments, because I'm definitely sad about it. But yeah, guys, I'll see you next time. Peace. Nope, we're not gonna do that. See you next time. Peace out.